Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell Procreate brushes on Gumroad. Alright, so first up, log into your Gumroad account. Now go ahead over to products and just click on new products right here at the very top. After once done, let's go ahead and select digital product. Okay. And once done, got to give it a name. For example, sample Procreate brushes. And then once done, explicitly say or explicitly state the compatibility. So for example, like that requires Procreate 5 or higher and an iPad, or you can just go ahead and add it in on the description section. Given the price, for example, $5, scroll up, click on next, customize. Now add in the description, and here's the preview by the way. Scroll down, upload some cover, thumbnail, or preview. So for the cover, go ahead and create a cover graphic that prominently displays the name of the brush pack alongside a highly detailed artwork made using those exact brushes. Now for the thumbnail or preview right here, include a cheat sheet graphic in your image gallery that displays a simple stroke or scribble from every single brush in the set, so buyers know exactly what textures they are buying. So I'm just going to use these sample photos right here. And then once done, scroll down, change the settings right here. This is totally up to you. All right, and once that's done, scroll all the way up, click on content, and here's where we would need to upload our brushes. Okay, click on upload files, say from Dropbox or computer files. And I have here, I think, the Procreate brushes. All right, it should look like this inside the RAR file. And then once done, I'm going to go ahead and select the zip file or RAR file. Here you have it. You can upload a zip or upload the brush one by one. It's up to you. Now, once it's fully uploaded, click on Save Changes. Now go ahead and click on Publish and Continue. All right, but before you can click on Publish and Continue, make sure that you have an active payouts account. Now, once that's done, you can check back to your products right here. Open link in a new tab. Copy this link and post it wherever you want. And that is how you sell Procreate brushes on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.